Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be one that I have been promising you for a long time and just haven't gotten around to because I have been just fighting a really nasty cold, and being pregnant just makes it want to hang on and just overall worse. You guys can probably still hear it's kind of a little bit in my throat and I'm still a little congested, but I'm doing much better. Last week I asked you guys if you wanted to see this vlog style just so I could get it up quickly, or if you wanted me to wait until today where I could focus on doing a little bit better quality video. And so many of you said to just rest up and get better soon before filming anything, and I was just so touched by how sweet and kind you guys were. So thank you so much for all the well wishes. I am feeling so much better now, and my bathroom sink is ready to get cleaned. It is so bad. It's always a little embarrassing for me to show you guys these parts of my house that are particularly dirty, but I know that a lot of us probably struggle in the organization aspect of life, and so I just want to be really real and let you guys see how bad things get sometimes. But I'm sure I'm not the only one, and I want to just help you guys get inspired and motivated to just organize whatever aspect of your lives just are chaotic like some of mine. So now let's just get into organizing my bathroom sink, because I'm just going to show you how messy it is. It's horrible. So this is the mess that's going on under my sink right now, and I wasn't lying, it is really bad, but we're gonna clean it today. I do have these storage bins under here which I will just organize a little bit more, but I really need to figure out other ways to organize the rest of this, and I ended up getting some storage bins from Target that I thought would really help out. So the first thing I did was just kind of dove in and emptied out the entire cupboard just so I could start with a clean slate. It just seemed like that was the only thing to do. And I decided to put all of my products together and go through just deciding what I was going to keep and what I was going to get rid of. And I had a little helper around to help me do it. So here's my little sorting station. I have the garbage, I have a bin of stuff that I want to give to my sister or my mom, see if they want anything, and then I'll have a keep pile as well. It actually took a lot longer to do this than I thought. I had a lot of junk down there, just makeup that I either never used or that was almost gone or dried up that I could just get rid of, and then just a lot of bath and body products that I just never used and thought that there might be someone who would enjoy them. Next, I started to just reorganize everything in those drawers down there. I have one stacked on top of the other, which just gives you so much space and just really helps keep things organized. So I put all of my teeth whitening stuff in the bottom one, and then in the next one I just added all of my face masks, and I had a couple face masks that were just a little too big, so I put them in the storage bin next to it. The next drawer up was for refills like cotton rounds, cotton balls, toothbrushes, stuff like that. And then obviously I needed a drawer for extra makeup that I just didn't carry around in my makeup bag. I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes that I don't use every day. They're more for like date night makeup looks, and I like to rotate through them sometimes. So I just stored all my extra ones in there and any other makeup that I don't use on a daily basis. And the next drawer up was for hair accessories, which I have hardly anything of, so that was mainly a drawer I gave to Daniel. And then for any products that I use on a daily basis, I wanted to have them really easily accessible. So I got this metal basket that hangs on the back of your cupboard door from Target. It was about $15, I think, and it is just perfect for what I'm using it for. And everything, and my stretch mark cream, my micellar cleansing water, all of that stuff fits really nicely in it. And then for products that I want to keep around but don't tend to use as often, I put in a storage bin further back. I also got this cool matching metal drawer set from Target. It kind of just gives you a little bit more room, and it's the perfect length for all of my hot tools. So my curling irons, my straightener, my blow dryer, it's just really helped. I've been using it like this for a while, and it's just really helped me stay organized. And I've really enjoyed having something that's the right shape for hot tools. It helps me keep everything much more organized.
The last thing I decided to do to help me just keep things in their proper place was to label everything. So I just had some labels laying around from Target, and I grabbed a Sharpie and then just labeled all of those storage drawers so that I would remember where everything goes. And that's the finished product. Everything looks so much neater, and it's actually stayed this way. I've been using it like this for a few weeks because I am late recording this voiceover, and my bathroom sink still pretty much looks like this. So this system has really been working for me. Just having labels and having baskets for everything has just been such a game changer.
So that's the end of my organization video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really tried to think of ways that, because it's really a small cupboard, and I really tried to think of ways that I could really utilize every little bit of that space. I am feeling a lot more motivated to keep it looking like this. One of the keys for me is to get to invest in organization and get new bins and crates or whatever it might be to really help me organize that space and make it look nice, so that when I am getting something from it, I really enjoy and get a satisfaction of keeping it that way. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you got inspired or motivated by it by hitting that like button and subscribing if you're not already subscribed to my channel. I upload Monday and Friday on beauty, fashion, lifestyle, motherhood, just a lot of fun things that have to do with homemaking. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.